Hey everyone, it's Jeanette from Jewelry by Jeanette, and I'm doing a really quick unboxing video for an order that I just received from JTV.com. And if you want to save $25 on your first order of $49 or more, I will have a code in the description box below my video, and you'll get that $25 when you make that purchase. And I will also get $25. So it is a great way to support my channel if you want. These are really, really gorgeous. And let me show you, they come in this really beautiful giftable box here. And I'm gonna just take them out. And these are crystal briolettes, and oh my gosh, I hope you can see the sparkle through the camera lens. And I'm doing this while I'm holding my camera, my phone rather, so I'm gonna try to open this with one hand. Let's see how I do. Not too bad. I think I can get it. Excuse me. There we go. I believe I opened it. And it's 4 strands, and I don't know if they're still available. I hope they are. 4 strands of these gorgeous crystal briolettes here. And I'm going to switch hands so that I can separate these for you. And there's pink, which are stunning. And I'm not usually a pink person, but these are, wow. And there's a golden yellow color. So pretty. Oh, I hope you can see that sparkle. These are the clear crystal. And the 4th strand. These are more of like a smoky kind of crystal. Let me get a, yeah, like actually it's what I would call like a vitriol. Really, really beautiful rainbow colors coming off of these. So I'll be making a lot of jewelry with these in the coming weeks and months. They're a great addition to your stash, your supply. And I think these are, I think the strands are, wow, I'm gonna measure these, but I'm pretty sure that these, they look like they're about 30 inches. Maybe it says on the, let me just check the packing slip, and maybe it says here how long the strands are, because they're pretty long. It doesn't say, but I've got to tell you that this, well, if you just give me a moment, I'm going to go grab my ruler. I'll be right back. Okay, so I just did a quick measurement, and these strands are between 18 and 19 inches long. So nice size. And let me see, the briolette itself is, each briolette, let me see what we've got here. Trying to stay on camera in frame here. Let me go with millimeters. Let's see, I got my little ruler here. So they're about, I'm gonna say 5, 6, 7, maybe 8 millimeters across. It's hard for me to do. It's about 8 millimeters across, I think. And as far as length, they are probably like 10 millimeters. But that's a rough measurement. You'll probably get more information on the website, jtv.com. So look for the coupon code in the description box below this video. And like, subscribe, comment, and see you soon. Bye now.